Hey everybody, Ken with Ken Kyle Racing here. Going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter for your 2020 and up Ford Explorers. Got the new one right here, all ready to go in. Quick shout out to Brian Maisley for the hookup on the t-shirt. It's my first Explorer ST shirt. Pretty awesome. Let me show you how to get to this cabin air filter. See, I've got the glove box open. On each side, right inside there, there's a little thing you push on. You can see it kind of coming through there. And then there's one on this side also, you push in. Push it down and the whole thing just slides right down. Alright, so to get the cover off, there's a little release tab right here. Just push that way on it and you can see, whoop, I just snapped it in again. Just pull out while you're pushing the tab. And there's another one over on this side. We do have to take that screw out. Real careful not to drop this screw. You only need one screw. You can drop one of them, but you can't drop both of them. Push on that tab. And there's your air filter. Notice the airflow direction pointing down. You want to make sure you put the new one back in the same way. Oh, look at that. So we'll line up the new one to put in. Notice we got the airflow pointing down. Slide that back in there. Make sure the clips snap. I'll put our one screw back in it. There you go, cabin air filter's changed. Now when you put this back up, you want to make sure this goes into this little receptacle there. Make sure it's straight. And these will snap back in on both sides. And you're done. If you need an air filter, got a link to the one I bought from Amazon in the description of the video.